Welcome to our roundup of the best handheld digital oscilloscopes. Whether you're a hobbyist, electronics enthusiast, or professional engineer, having the right handheld oscilloscope can make all the difference in your projects. These devices combine portability, precision, and user-friendly designs, making it easier to analyze signals and troubleshoot circuits wherever you are. In this video, we'll break down each model's key features like bandwidth, display, functionality, and ease of use, so you can find the perfect match for your needs. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals on each of these oscilloscopes. Let's dive right in. The first on the list is the ZOYI 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope. The ZOYI 3-in-1 stands out as a versatile tool, combining an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator in one compact device. This makes it an ideal option for students, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who want a reliable all-in-one solution. With its bright 2.4-inch LCD screen, users can clearly view real-time waveforms and data even in outdoor settings. Its 3-in-1 design, dual-channel measurement, and built-in rechargeable battery set it apart from many entry-level models. Performance-wise, it delivers reliable measurements across a wide frequency range, making it suitable for both low-frequency testing and more advanced diagnostics. The built-in multimeter functions allow you to measure voltage, current, resistance, and continuity, while the signal generator lets you simulate waveforms for testing. Overall, the ZOYI 3-in-1 is a powerful yet budget-friendly handheld oscilloscope that packs multiple tools into a single portable unit. Next up is the FNIRSI 2C53T upgraded handheld oscilloscope. This model is designed for users who want higher accuracy and advanced functionality in a compact form. Equipped with a dual-channel input system, it allows simultaneous measurement and comparison of signals, which is crucial for troubleshooting complex circuits. The 2.8-inch full-color TFT display ensures clear waveform visualization with adjustable time base and voltage scales. Dual-channel measurement, 2.8-inch TFT display, and advanced triggering functions make this unit a top choice for precision work. It also comes with a built-in 6,000 mAh battery that delivers long-lasting usage, ideal for extended field applications. The upgraded firmware improves waveform capture speed and accuracy, ensuring reliable results even for fast-changing signals. Overall, the FNIRSI 2C53T is an upgraded and refined oscilloscope that strikes a balance between advanced features and user convenience. Next, we have the Handheld HO11 handheld digital oscilloscope. This oscilloscope is built for those who value simplicity without compromising on core performance. It features a single-channel design, which makes it less complex but perfectly suited for quick testing and educational use. The clear 2.4-inch display provides easy-to-read waveforms, and the intuitive button layout ensures beginners can get started quickly. Simple single-channel design, user-friendly controls, and portable form factor make the HO11 an excellent entry-level choice. Its bandwidth and sampling rate are ideal for hobbyist-level projects, small circuit debugging, and learning environments. The rechargeable battery ensures you can carry it anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Overall, the Handheld HO11 is an affordable, beginner-friendly oscilloscope that provides dependable performance in a highly portable package. Coming up next is the FNIRSI DSO-152 oscilloscope. The DSO-152 is designed for users who want a modern, compact oscilloscope with an emphasis on clarity and ease of use. Featuring a bright 2.8-inch display, it provides crisp waveforms that are easy to interpret even under bright lighting. Its lightweight and handheld build make it suitable for field technicians, students, and engineers alike. 2.8-inch high-resolution display, lightweight design, and fast signal response make the DSO-152 a reliable tool for everyday testing. With a straightforward interface, even beginners can quickly learn to measure and analyze signals. It includes multiple waveform storage options, allowing you to save and recall waveforms for later review. The unit is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, which extends its portability. Overall, the FNIRSI DSO-152 offers a great balance of portability, clarity, and performance at an affordable price. The last one on our list is the AUKUYE 2.4-inch TFT handheld digital oscilloscope. This model is designed with practicality in mind, offering a compact build and essential features for quick and reliable signal analysis. Its 2.4-inch TFT screen delivers clear waveform displays, while the compact housing ensures easy one-handed operation. Compact lightweight build, 2.4-inch TFT display, and user-friendly controls highlight its design strengths. It is particularly well-suited for beginners and those who need a simple, effective tool for small electronic repairs or learning purposes. Despite its small size, it provides accurate measurements and stable performance across standard testing ranges. The rechargeable battery ensures that it's always ready to use, while its straightforward design minimizes the learning curve for new users. Overall, the AUKVYE 2.4-inch oscilloscope is a lightweight, practical choice for anyone seeking a portable and easy-to-use testing device. So, that's it for the best handheld digital oscilloscopes available right now. Each of these models offers a unique mix of portability, performance, and usability, making them great options whether you're a beginner, student, or professional engineer. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more detailed guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.